So hi everyone, welcome back to this video. So I'll show you how to save your Excel file as PDF. So this is super useful when you want to share your work with someone who doesn't use Excel, or when you want to print your work neatly. So without wasting time, let us start. So here I have my work, have my table here, and I've also done some data visualization, drawn a budget or a clustered column budget, and I want to print this data into PDF. What I will do, I just go to this section where I have this file, then I click on file, then I go to print. Then when I click on print, I can easily visualize my data here to see the organization of my data. I don't want it to look like this. So I'll still go back to make sure that this chart comes down here. So what I'll do, I just go back here, then I will resize I'll just drag and drop my chart down here like this. Then from here now, I can go back again, go to print. Then I can see my data. Here you can see your preview, the way it looks like here. Then you can go to print. Then on your print, you wait for it to take time. Then you can save the place that you want to save your work, PDF file. I'll just name it PDF file like that. So you can pick, I'll pick the desktop. Then I click save. Then I give it time. So once it's done, you go and find your data to your desktop. So you can just go here, then go to your desktop to look for the data that you had. And here is my PDF. You can click on it like that. And here it comes in a PDF format. So if you find any difficult of checking out if your data fits well, just make sure you follow the same steps, then you'll get the perfect data print as a PDF. So, and that is how you can save an Excel file as a PDF in just a few steps. So easy, right? So if this helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Excel tips, and let me know in the comments what topic I should cover next. Thank you for watching. See you.